This week has been really an interesting week. It started off with a hearing for a restraining order that we had to get for one of our clients. Very difficult case involving some difficult evidentiary issues. We were fortunate to be able to convince the court to issue the restraining order, and we're very happy for our client that she now has the protection that she deserves. So here we are. We're at the end of the week. You can see that I'm in my casual clothing, and I'm thinking about something that's going to happen tonight. Tonight we are having our annual summer bowling night. And this is going to be a lot of fun. All of the people from the firm are going to come over to the bowling alley tonight. And there's also going to be some of our friends. We're going to spend an entire evening in a private room, bowling, having fun. I think everybody's going to have a good time. Most people in my firm are not going to be thinking about the contest that I'm thinking about, though. Coming from the Midwest, bowling is a very big thing. If you live in California, you know that fun is outside. That's where you go surfing, you go hiking up in the mountains, riding your bikes. In the Midwest, where I come from, everything's indoors. That's why we have wrestling, basketball, and we have bowling. Every little village in the Midwest has a local bowling alley, including the one that I grew up in. And when you grow up there, you realize that the Greek gods are those people that could bowl straight. I don't care if you're talking about a man that weighs 500 pounds, who's got the huge beer belly, but if he could bowl those strikes, he looks like a Greek god, right? Well, I've grown up bowling, but not very good. I'm very jealous, okay? I can't walk straight. I can't bowl straight. It's pathetic, okay? But I love bowling. And today's my opportunity, not to win, because I think that even though most of my staff members probably don't bowl very much, they're probably going to be better than me, quite frankly. If I try to throw it straight, it goes to the side. If I try to do a curve, it goes straight, goes into the gutter. It's just not very good. But one thing that I might be able to win at today is being a team captain of one of our teams that we're going to have. I'm going to compete against my other two partners, Debbie and Casey, and it's going to be a random pick. I don't get the first choice. I don't get to scout the talent to see who might have bowled more than anybody. So it's really going to be a competition as to who can motivate, who can coach, who can get these people to perform at the highest level, in spite of the fact that they may have had a few drinks and aren't taking it all that seriously. So we'll see tonight. I'll report back to you as to how my coaching works, whether I did a good job, and hopefully I'm going to come home with the first prize.